Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to enable autoplay videos on X easily. Let's begin. At first, open the X app on your smartphone. Tap on your profile icon at the top corner on the screen. Scroll down. From the menu, select Setting and Privacy. Tap on Settings and Privacy again. Scroll down. Tap on Accessibility, Display and Language. Select Data Uses. Scroll down. Find Video Autoplay. Tap on Video Autoplay. You will see three options. Choose one mobile data and Wi-Fi to enable autoplay completely. Done. If it still does not work, make sure data server is turned off. And that's it. Autoplay is now enabled on your X app. Subscribe for more quick and simple tips. Thanks.